nutrition and flavour are basically the same thing. So we're farming for flavour, but also farming for nutrition. If the soil's healthy, there's going to be more micro and macronutrients in the produce. Focusing on soil health and ensuring that the soil is healthy means that you've got a whole universe down there that is teeming with life. The farming here at Crocodile is all about doing things in the best way possible. It's about the soil health being at its highest, and then in turn the animals or plants that are living upon that soil also being at their best and their healthiest. At Crocodile we've got a flock of about 80 sheep at the moment, mixed heritage rare breeds selected for hardiness, flavour and their suitability for the land. We graze them progressively and rotationally across our permanent pastures here at Crocodile. There's a good mixture of grasses, clovers, chicory in there too. All these plants having different uses and giving a diverse diet to the sheep. We graze them so that they're only taking probably the top third of the plants, so where all the nutrition is, to ensure that they're as happy and as healthy as they can be. And we're trying to fatten these sheep as well. The minimum age for a sheep for us is about 5 years. So we're technically 7 mutton, which we dry age for about 6 to 8 weeks. In my mind, producing some of the best sheep you'll ever taste. We're fortunate here to have the most amazing market garden run by Claire and Jess. They bring us the most incredible, beautiful produce, full of flavour, grown in the most natural way possible. The food here at Crocodile is based simply around what we have at that particular moment. We're in the middle of summer right now, and we've got an abundance of produce coming from the market garden here, coming from other farms that we work with. So we're spoiled for choice, and the menu really writes itself. At Crocodile we serve a tasting menu in the evenings, which is a reflection of what we actually have on the farm at that particular moment. Generally working with our sheep as main course, and then other things that we're picking up from other small farms and suppliers locally that share our ethos. It's showing the ebbs and the flows of the season. We start off nice and light and bright, moving through to richer courses, back to courses with a lot of freshness, all focused heavily on flavour, layering flavour, and then into some really interesting and bright desserts. Everything we do is focused on making that soil as healthy as it can possibly be. This has benefits to the animals grazing upon the land, it has benefits to the plants, the herbs, the flowers, the fruit, and most importantly, the food that we actually serve in the restaurant, and then in turn our guests.